Here's an example. We want to create a Hasse diagram using containment. So I have sets U, A, B, C, and D. And first thing I want to do is write out the relationship with containment for these sets. So U is the universal set, meaning everything is contained inside it. So A, B, C, D are all contained in U. Also, U is contained in U, so it's reflexive there. And actually, all the sets are contained in themselves. And it's good because a Hasse diagram has to be is for a poset, which is reflexive. So what other relationships do we have? We can see that D is contained in A, and C is contained in B. So in terms of a Hasse diagram, that means so C contained in B means that C will have to go up to B, because in a Hasse diagram they are related upward. And then also for A and D, D has to be contained in A, so it relates upward again. So now I'm going to put these kind of together. So because C and D are not related to each other, I'm going to put them on the same level. And they are both related upward. D is related to A, C is related to B. And then both A and B are contained in U. So this tells me D is contained in U because going upward you can get to U. D is contained in A, and D is contained in itself. This tells me that A is contained in U because it's upward, and A is contained in itself. Just one more. So let's see. C is contained in B. C is contained in U. Notice C is not contained in A. It can't go back down the diagram. And then this is not a linear order. To be linear, you'd have to have one contain the other, contain the other, contained in the other, and be a straight line diagram.